I'm cutting more of these today, my flower bags. I don't even remember last time I actually released new ones. It's been a while, so I thought may as well get back on it and make new ones. If you are new here though, my name is Eleanor. This is my brand. I make flower bags from secondhand materials, and they're bags designed specifically to carry your flower bouquets, because here in the Netherlands, markets are a huge thing, and you become like bag lady when you go to the market because you got your groceries, your fabric, your flowers. So this just makes it a bit easier to carry them home, or if you're cycling, because that little Dutch life, you can put your flowers in your bag. The goal is to dominate the Netherlands with my flower bags, so spread the word. Thanks. First step, of course, is deciding what exact fabrics I want for the flower bags. I'm actually thinking to do a black one this time. Never done black, but I found this nice black canvas curtain, 100% cotton, and maybe some people only wear black. I know some people like that. They're into their blacks, whites, and neutrals. This is for those people. And I have some other fun, colorful ones, of course. I do have a question for you, though, regarding the fabric choices for flower bags. What do you want to see more of? Like, if you had a flower bag, what would you like? Do you want cute, fun prints? Do you want solid colors? Do you want more of like, this isn't neutral, but prints? Do you like prints in general? Or are you one of these people that likes neutrals, solid, simple kind of thing? Let me know down in the comments, because then I'll keep it in mind when I'm actually sourcing for fabric to see what you guys are actually looking for. I'll also do a poll on my Instagram today. So if you're not following me there, you can follow me at Eleanor Siva, and it's more in real time. So let me know. I'm actually quite curious to see what people like. Let's start with this one though, because I'm really loving this color combination. It's very fun, summery, exciting. Somebody cut it into a giant circle. It's like they wanted a tablecloth, but they never finished the edges because they're all so frayed. Interesting. Let's see how many we can fit. I'll put them down. Then I can put the straps in the middle. Okay. Not bad. I'm just gonna cut one out to start, then we'll do the straps later. I'm only going through one layer. Everything's cut out now. I'm just making my little sausage rolls again, and we'll tie them shut. But I also just posted on my Instagram the poll of what you guys prefer. So judging by the poll results and your guys' comments will help me on my next thrifting adventure. What should I do next? I actually have some fabrics I wanted to cut, but I forgot to wash, which is a bit irritating on my part. First two, cut. I also had some fabric that I was saving for more summer tops, but I decided I don't want to make any more of those quite yet, so I'm going to use that fabric for the bags. One of them is honestly my favorite, is this watermelon colored one. It's almost too good to cut up, but I feel like it'd make the best flower bags. So should we go for it? Watermelon sugar high, am I right? Isn't it so great? Do I want to... Oh no, and I'm like, do I want to cut it up? Yes, Elle, you need to cut things. I can definitely fit two, but that might be the max of that. Oh, actually, it's like real close, but it fits two bags. Okay, obviously that fits. And then obviously this fits. Okay, actually not so bad. This is making me nervous, the first cut, because I love this fabric so much. And the next one, like, look at that. I'm just gonna continue cutting this out and listen to some music, and we'll be back, but we have to roll them up into little sausages. is done. I'm gonna cut these ones next. I decided I'm gonna make black ones, because why not? The only thing is I washed these the other day and I didn't iron them yet. So I'm gonna quickly do a little like ironing spur. Oh, this blue one still needs to be washed actually. But I need to iron these 3. They got really bad wrinkles. I have since ironed them. These are the ones that are ready to go that I want to make something out of. Also, I did the poll on Instagram and right now it's looking like people want more neutrals and graphic prints. So that's something I definitely have to keep an eye out when I'm thrifting. Like really curious to see. It's only been maybe an hour since I posted, but I'm curious to like let it sit for a day and see what the final results are. Oh yeah, this is the fabric that we made a swatch of. Actually, also the first one that I cut. We made a swatch from it last week for my fabric catalog, so we'll have to update that later to say that we made it into flower bags. My goal for the next while is to focus on the flower bags because it's kind of the item people really love recently. So I want to just like focus on this for a little bit and maybe reach out to like some stylists or something. That could be kind of fun. Perfect. Okay. This is scrap. Something I don't show very often, and I'm like not really sure why. I definitely do not have a good reason why I don't. Is my flower bag XL size. I have really big ones available that I should probably show you. This is a normal one. This is the size difference. But people buy this many flowers at the market. Like I've seen ladies walk around with like armfuls. Maybe I just need to stand there one day and just like peg them with offers. Be like, do you need a bag for that? Because I got one. So if you're interested or if you buy a lot of flowers or know someone who buys a lot of flowers, there's even a bag for them. I'm not going to make any more because most people buy 1 or 2 bouquets, but they are available if you want. Because I have a fair bit of fabric to cut, let's just do a little time lapse while I listen to my music. Sorry, my camera totally died and I just kept cutting, but we're done now. I managed to cut 3 of the black ones and then I started cutting other fabrics that I had, like the maroon one and this little grid one that I found. But yeah, I actually got a lot cut out. The only thing is I got a lot of doubles, which is great, but not so much variety. I'll show you all the ones I cut out today. Probably easier to see it like this. All the bundles. Yeah. There's quite a bit, but there's lots of multiples, which is nice, so you don't have to fight over her one flower bag. There is multiples of everything, but it does mean I need more variety, so I have to go thrifting. So again, tell me what you prefer down below because it will really help me and kind of guide my thrifting as to what I get and what I look for. And then next week, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to start sewing, get a head start because it's going to be a lot of sewing, or if I'll go thrifting. You can always just subscribe and stick around and see. But I will see you next week. Bye.